Hello guys, and hope doing well. This is 4-in-1 voltcraft UTS 1918. You can see that we have four devices in one device. First is frequency counter. Second one is function generator. Third one is digital multimeter. And the last one is power supply. 4-in-1. The price is something like 813 euros, and this device is connected to the voltcraft DSO 1062 oscilloscope, and this oscilloscope working till 16 megahertz, and the number of samples is 1 gigasample per second. Is very good, and the price is something like 300 bucks. So to test this one, at first I should talk about digital multimeter, because of with this price really we are not able to buy any device with 5 digits precision and with the stability when we have different leads from millivolts and volts. So you can see that the features we have in voltage, this place is the bar graph, and also the voltage on DC is now, and you can see that we have exactly 5 digits. We are able to change the AC to DC. This is, you can see this is AC, and we have less noise, and you can see that the the level of the noise is down, and it should be something like 5,000 count per second. So the other feature that we have is millivolt, like all advanced multimeters. Yeah, it's going to millivolts with 5 digits. Also we have AC and DC, and you can see when I'm touching the lead connection, we don't have too much noise, and it means that the number of counts is less than 5,000, and also it's an auto-calibrating system. I believe that this multimeter with this price is one of the best, and also the volts is in AC is also 5 digits, and it can be one of the best device to calibrate multimeters and other reference voltage projects. Okay, I'm going to the power supply. It seems that it's the regular power supply working till 15 volts, positive and negative, and of course it's coming with lead protector and also loop protection, and the everything that the power supply need is not advanced, but you can see it is going from ampere to voltage. This is a 9, and yeah, it's going maybe to, it's very well, it's good, going to 32 volts, and the starting is 0.1 volt, 100 millivolt. It is also very good, and it's really stable, and it's 10 amperes, and 0 till 30 volts, 3 amperes, sorry. So it was the second device in one. You can see the minimum voltage is 0.1. Okay, the next feature is frequency counter, working up to 2.7 gigahertz. Here is 3 steps like the other counters: kilohertz, hertz, and megahertz. And of course, we have 2 different input PNC connector, one till 100 megahertz, the other one from 2.7 gigahertz. And the last item is DDS signal generator, or we call function generator, and you can see the output of the function generator is connected to the oscilloscope 16 megahertz. So I'm going to adjust the frequency. Now it is 0.1 hertz. I'm going the level up because of the oscilloscope starting from 1 hertz, exactly like here. Yeah, you can see that the frequency is started and it is going to number 1 hertz. Yep. I'm trying to add the frequency. You can see 1 hertz, 2 hertz. Really, this is coming with very good precision because of it is more than a function generator, I believe, because of it's very stable, and also you can see it's compatible with the oscilloscope because of these two devices comes from one company. Yeah, this is line, this is salted. I'm going to change the duties. Yeah. Now I'm changing the waves. Hope to enjoy this video, and I will try to collaboration in next video, and I will try to find one 5-digit multimeter and try to calibrate the multimeter with this 4-in-1 device. Thanks for watching and goodbye.